The producers and distributors of Tech AV audiovisual training aids welcome you to the Shielded Metal Arc Welding series. This is video 1 of program 3, in which we will look at basic welding techniques. In this program, we will cover the following: standard machine inspection, typical setup procedures for an arc welding machine, striking an arc and creating weld buttons with AC output, laying stringer beads upon flat plate, including stopping and restarting the arc, and chipping, cleaning and reading a weld and establishing corrective action. Please note that for the following checks, the machine must be isolated from the main supply. At your welding machine, begin by checking the input power connections. Check the power lead for any signs of damage to the insulation. Check that the connecting plug or adapter is in good order and that the cable is securely attached. Check the cable entry point into the machine to ensure that it is secure and that no conductors are exposed. Do not make repairs to the power cable. If you discover any problem, then report this to a supervisor. We turn our attention now to the physical checking of welding machines. The covers on welding machines must always be in place. Check that all fastening screws are secure. Check that air ducts or ventilation louvers are open and clear, thus ensuring that the airflow will not be impeded, resulting in overheating. Check that all the control devices are in working order and that the function symbols or signs are clearly legible so that you know what control it is. On machines that have threaded tapping points, inspect these points to ensure that they are secure. Run a fastening nut onto the threads to ensure that the threads are in good order. Welding leads should be inspected regularly for damage to the insulation or for any other physical defects. Inspect the terminations at both ends of each lead. Lugs and quick couplers must be firmly attached and in a good condition. The earth clamp and electrode holder must both be in good condition and firmly attached to their respective cables. Attach the leads to their respective connection points on the machine and ensure that they fit securely. By fitting an electrode, check that the jaws firmly grip onto the wire, thereby ensuring a good electrical connection.